Okay, so now we have a way of getting whatever the hovered item is. We get it by getting the text and the field that is under the mouse and then returning either the field or the text that is under the mouse. That all seems pretty straightforward. That makes sense. Let's see, make association key. So this is going to create a key that is a page number, a colon, and then a field name. I don't know what field names look like. If I do, what am I doing? Field name equals field name. Actually, I think I don't need that. Can I? Oh, I think I can do that. Let me try running that and see what happens on the web page. Let's see. I saved. Go back here, refresh. If I open up the console, do I see it in here? No. Okay, when does make association key get called? It's called for get associated texts, toggle association. Oh, okay, so if I go back to the web page and I click on an input and then click on a text field. Okay, so our what was it? Field names look like that. Can I copy? All right, I'll copy the whole message and I'll go back over here. All right, so that's going to look like that. That's what a field name looks like. Filed field name looks like that, and then what was it? Oh yeah, page num looks like that. So then this whole thing will return something that looks like two colon, and then this whole thing. So that's the sort of thing that will be returned. I suppose I could have saved this to a variable and then whatever. Alrighty, so we're doing stir page num. Oh yeah, so instead of doing this, I think it'll actually be helpful to do something that looks like this. Page num 2, and then field name, and then this whole thing. Do that, and then that. Okay. Because I actually in this case, I think it probably, I don't even need the page number. I think these are unique across pages. But just in case they're not, I suppose, maybe the PDF spec doesn't require them to be. So I like using this sort of thing as a key. So using a whole map as a key, which we can do in Clojure because Clojure's maps are immutable. All data structures are immutable by default, which means the hash of this whole thing can be taken. But the reason that I like using a map as a key is because it's really easy to take one key and derive a different key. So like if we knew that there was a field on page 1 that had this same name, for example, then it would be very, very easy to take this map and do that. And now we have a key for the same field but on the other page. Um, and it actually looks like there's some structure to all of this too, but I'm not exactly sure what it is. That might be worth looking into. Um, let's see. So I want to take a stir, the page num, and the field name. Yeah, I am pretty sure that I can do that. So if I have something that looks like that, and then I want the result to look like that, return that. Then I would do stir on page num, and then a colon, and then field name. Join all that together. Alrighty, going back to the browser. Let's try refresh. This looks like it's working. Let's get rid of that. That still seems to work. Cool.